Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Obinekpa from Ultimate Digitals. In today's video, we are going to look at how to format your book, the alternative method of formatting the book without using MS Word. So in today's video, you'll be looking at how to go about it. Is it really better between this method and MS Word? Which one is better? So you're going to find out because I share very important details, which is more or less like a secret, which you may not find on any other platform. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so that you always get quality details and updates like this whenever I drop quality video like this. Then one more thing, just drop a comment in the comment section. Make money with KDP. Make money with KDP. So with that, we can get started. So you always get updates. So if you have any question apart from this, also drop it in the comment section, whether it's on this topic or any other topic I've shared, because I teach how to make money. I share how to make money on affiliate marketing, uh, publishing your book online, and the best way and the legit way of making money online. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop a comment. Let's make money with KDP. So with that being said, let's jump in. We are going to look at the alternative method to formatting your book. Which one do we use? Which is the best method? So we are going to look at it today. So we are going to use a platform called Kindle Create. So I'm going to open this. So if you don't know what is Kindle Create, you're going to see what it is all about. Okay, so I'm going to choose a file. Choose a file. Click choose a file. Then I'm going to open the one I saved. So this is one I want to open. So let's wait while it loads. Let's wait while it's still loading. It's still loading. It's still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Takes a while for it to load. Porting and converting your document. Let's wait. 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 Still loading. 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 So I hope you know that our what we are using to convert is in MS Word. That means you must have finished your work on MS Word. So it has is our import is successful. You click on continue, then click get started. So you can see that is it. So now this one is already arranged. It's already arranged. So I only deselect the ones that I don't want and leave the ones I want. So under here now, I'm going to remove this as deselected terms and conditions. No, it's not going to be a heading. It's not going to be a heading. Should I leave? Okay, let me leave it. The legal notice, no. So deselect it. Then table of content, yes. Forward, weight loss, yes. And now this one, I don't want it to be a heading. So just be watching. So whichever one I don't want, I will deselect it. Then chapter 2, I will deselect this one. Gonna say chapter 3, then deselect this one. So deselect this one. Chapter 4, deselect. So whichever one you don't want, just deselect. So as you scroll down, you will see how it appears. So come on. This one, deselect. Chapter 7, select. What I'm doing is, I don't want this ones I'm deselecting, I don't want it to appear as one of the headings, because if it appears as a heading, it's going to appear like this. So let it be under subheading. Select and select this. So if at the end I'm okay with this, I can still deselect any of these ones that I don't want. So it depends on your choice. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will not go through all of them one by one. So I'm just going to leave all these ones like this. That means I want it to be appearing as a heading. So I will click accept selected. So you can see it has been arranged in this format. So now I'm going to scroll up, then shift this, sorry, let it be on the same page. Then the color I use in MS Word is this color. So I'm going to be checking it. If I want it to be still be on the same color of this one, it's not less for me. But I'm going to begin to change these ones that are heading. Now click on formatting. You can see the text size is the font size is 29. So but here is not opening except I select it. That's when it becomes clickable. So if I want it to be in another color, I will simply change it to the color I want. And once I change it, other ones are going to reflect. So let me change it to green. So if I scroll down, you can see that all of them have turned to green. All the headings has turned to green. So that is the beauty of this one. So in which these ones are already selected. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change this. Okay, it's asking me to save it. So I will click here, save. So where I want it to be, let me save it as this, as KC file. So I click save, so it has saved it. So under this table of contents, make sure you use I use font size 14 because that is the best. So I'm going to select it. Sorry, I'm going to highlight, then change it to size 14 so that it will be bigger. So you can see it's 14. So if you use 12, your text your font text may be small, or some people that do not like reading tiny things and text may not be able to read your book, and that may be a down turn off for them. So it's good that you use 14. So that's what I will be using here. So I see this one is 14. Okay, it turned automatically to 16, so I will leave it at that. Why are you jumping automatically? So I'm going to select other ones too, and do the same. Let me leave it at 16 then, and do this one 16. So that is our table of content. Then the for the text itself, that means I will be selecting each of them, select, change the font size to 14, chapter 1. So you can see I do not need to change anything here. I don't need to change anything here. Let it be like that. So I will just be scrolling towards all this one, select, change to 14, select, change to 14, highlight, change to 14, 14. So that is how we'll be doing for all the chapters until I finish it. The last, heading to the last one. I will click here, save. So that is how we do it until we finish the last one. Then here's the last one. So once we are through with this, you can see our work looks nice and readable. So once we are through, we click on this generate. So we click on generate, then I will save it as this title here .kpf, Kindle publishing font size or font type of book. So that this is one I'll be using to publish direct. So I'll click save. So I'll click OK. So our work is now safe. So guys, so that is how you can use this one, KDP, Kindle Create, to publish your book, and I mean to format your book, instead of you to use the other first two I've showed you. You can use this one. This one is one that makes it easier, and is more better if you are publishing on Kindle to use this one particularly. So that is just it. So that's it, friends. So I hope I made the impact with this video, and they have benefited something from this video. Now if you have any question, about this video, about what I've shared. Drop a comment in this, drop your question in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you always get quality videos like this, which I drop on a weekly basis. And if you have any other question outside this topic that I've shared, then also drop it. And don't forget one more thing to drop in the comment section: make money with KDP. Just drop it in the comment section so that we're making the money together. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, peace.